I am a working mom. Before having kids, I was always hanging out with my friends, siblings, and parents. I visited them on special occasions like birthdays, festivals, baptisms, housewarming ceremonies, etc. I always made a trip to one of the physical stores to buy gifts, gift cards, etc., and get them the best ones I think of. I got busy with my work and kids. I don't have the time I used to. The abundance of online gift cards and store gift cards always leads me to confusion when spending more time to browse through. Xeria gives me the convenience of gifting at my fingertips by providing incredible greeting cards, gift cards, occasional cards, customized messages that work wherever I want them to be. And that delivers the gift of love and thoughtfulness, even in a crazy life. Zero thought process on getting the perfect present of gift card, and 100% thought on enjoying this celebration.